Hello guys, in this video we shall show you how to solve a Rubik's Cube. Before starting, we shall tell you some basic rules and moves that will help you solve the Rubik's Cube. So let's start. When you hold the cube, the side that faces you is called the front. The side on your right is called your right. The side on your left is left. On the top is up. On the bottom is down. I hope that's clear to you. Front, right, left, up and down. So simple. Now it's time to learn the turns. There are two ways in which you can turn a side. First, it's clockwise and the other is counterclockwise. It's time to make the sides and the turns together. So, this will be called your F, this will be called your F dash, R, R dash, L, L dash, U, U dash, D and D dash. Once more, F, F dash, R, R dash, L, L dash, U, U dash, D, D dash. Pretty clear, right? So guys, as you can check, this is your red side, this is your yellow side, orange, white, blue and the green side. Another cool fact is that green side is always opposite to the blue side. Yellow side is always opposite to the white side. And red side is always opposite to the orange side. And always remember that the middle piece never moves. As you can check, the middle piece is always in its place. I hope that's pretty clear. So guys, now it's time to start solving the cube. Before that, let me shuffle the cube. Guys, as you can check, the cube is completely mixed up. So you can choose any of the sides you wish to start solving the cube. And I will be using the green side to solve the cube. So let's begin. So guys, your first task while solving the Rubik's cube is to solve this green cross. For that you need to look for this 4 green pieces. So let's look for these 4 pieces and start solving the cube. As you can check, we have one here, and to solve this you need to bring it underneath. So like if we do it and R dash, you will get it and underneath. Now your next task is to match this and this center piece. So for that you will do is D and a D. You can check it's completely matched now, and F and again an F. You can check it is in its position. Now for another piece, yes, it's here, it's a green and orange piece. To bring it underneath we will do R dash. You can check it's here. We will match it with the orange side, D and D. You can check it's matched. Now again an F and an F. You can check it is in its position. Now another piece, yes, it's here, R dash, matching it with the red side, D, D, F, F. You can check it is in its position. Now like the orange piece was tilted, so yes, and R again and back to its position. Guys, to solve the last piece, which is a green and white piece, you have to turn it. So how we will do is, and F, U, L dash and an U dash. you can check it's here and it's matched. It is matched and matched. So your green cross is ready. Now your next task is to solve this 4 green pieces. To solve this 4 green pieces, you need to look for 4 green corner pieces. So let's look. Yes, you can check. One is here, which is a green, white and a red piece. To solve this, you need to bring this piece between green, white and red piece. Yes, it's already present here. So it's time to learn your first algorithm, and it's R dash D dash R D R dash D dash R D R dash D dash R D R dash D dash R and D R dash D dash R D. Guys, you can check it is in its position and the correct orientation as well. So this way you can solve the other pieces. Like it's a green, orange and white piece, so we turn it here between green, orange and white side, and again the same algorithm, R dash D dash R D 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 and R dash D dash R D. Guys, you can check again it is in its position in the correct place as well. So the last two sides, it is a green, red and yellow piece. You bring it to the green, red and yellow side, and the same algorithm, R dash D dash R D R dash D dash R D R dash D dash R D. Yes, it is in its place. Now time to solve the final piece, which is here, R dash D dash R D R dash D dash R D R dash D dash R D R dash D dash R D. Guys, you can check you have solved your first side and your first layer as well. You can check. So well done guys. Now it's time to learn the second layer of the cube. So guys, now you have solved your first layer. Now time to solve the second layer. For that you need to flip the cube upside down so that the green layer comes underneath. Now while solving the second layer, you need to look for pieces, this 4 middle piece which does not have blue in it. It is a blue and a yellow piece. It is a red and a yellow piece. So it does not have blue in it. So we will use this. First your task is to match this with the middle piece. So we can do this using U dash and it's matched. Now your task is to check whether this lies on your right side or your left side. As it lies on your right side, here comes another algorithm, that is U R U dash R dash U dash F dash U and F. You can check the red and the yellow piece is here and it is in the correct place as well. So in the way we will solve the other pieces as well. So looking for another non-blue pieces. Yes, we have one here which is a orange and a white piece. Now we will match it with the middle layer and it's matched. So orange lies on your left side. So here's another algorithm, that is U dash L dash U L U F U dash and F dash. You can check the orange and the white piece is in its place. So now we have this white and the red piece, so we will bring it using u dash. Now red lies on your right side, so the same algorithm, u r u dash r dash u dash f dash u and f. You can check the red and the white piece is in its correct place. Now time to solve the last piece, which is this yellow and orange piece. Since orange lies on your right side, u r u dash r dash u dash f dash and u and f. So guys, you can check you have solved the second layer of the cube as well. So well done. Now it's time to solve the last layer of the cube. Guys, now next task is to solve this blue cross. But in this case, it was already formed while we were solving the middle layer. But while solving the middle layer, you might come across 4 situations. Once when you have the blue middle piece, or you have a blue L, or you have this blue line, or you have this blue cross. So I will be showing you all the situations and then we will move forward to solve the cube. Guys, sometimes after solving the middle layer of the cube, you might find that you only have a blue center piece. You neither have a blue L, a blue line or a blue cross. In that case, you will use the same algorithm 3 to 4 times again and again and solve the blue cross. So F R U R dash U dash and an F dash. Again F R U R dash U dash F dash. Since you have formed this blue L, keep it like this. Again F R U R dash U dash and F dash. You can check you have formed the blue cross. Guys, sometimes after solving the middle layer, you might find a blue L of this type. So in that case, you need to hold the cube in such a way that the blue L faces the top left corner, something like this. So and that case, you will use the same algorithm. F R U R dash U dash and F dash. You can check a blue line is formed. Again F R U R dash U dash and F dash. You can check a blue cross is formed. Guys, you can check that you have a blue line here. So in that case, what you will do is F R U R dash U dash and F dash. You can check a blue cross is formed, and this time it's a complete layer, but you need to solve it further ahead as well. Guys, no matter how you solve this blue cross, you must get at least 2 sides aligned, like this and this side, or any 2 sides aligned. In our case, we have this yellow and this white side aligned. When you have the 2 sides aligned which are opposite to each other, then you need to keep one side facing to yourself and the other side facing other, and you need to use this algorithm R U R dash U R double U R dash, and you can check you have aligned any 2 layers which are adjacent to each other. So your next task is to move this cube like this, so that one side which is aligned is to your right and the other is on the opposite side. You will use the same algorithm again, R U R dash U R U U R dash and U. Now you can check all the sides are aligned. This, this, this and this. Guys, Now as you have solved this blue cross and you have aligned all the middle layers as well, now the next task is to look for a piece which is in the correct place but in the wrong orientation. Like you can check, this is a blue, red and a yellow piece, but it is in the wrong place because it is a blue, orange and a white side. So now you can check, this is also in the wrong place. This is also in the wrong place. Yes, we have this in the correct place as it is a blue, white and a red side. So now to solve this, you need to use this algorithm. U R U dash L dash U R dash U dash and an L. Now you can check, this is in the correct place and in the right orientation. This is in the correct place but in the wrong orientation. This is in the correct place and the right orientation, and this is in the correct place but in the wrong orientation. Guys, now as all pieces are in the correct place but these two are in the wrong orientation, you need to use this final algorithm to solve this cube. And you have learned that algorithm already before. That is R dash D dash R D R dash D dash R D. You might think that the cube is puzzled up, but don't worry, it will be solved. Again, doing U dash and U dash and bringing this piece which is in the correct place but in the wrong orientation to the bottom right hand corner, and again using the same algorithm, R dash D dash R D R dash D dash R D R dash D dash R D R dash D dash and R and D. Guys, you are just 2 moves behind to solve your first ever Rubik's cube, and that is U dash and U dash. You can check, you have solved the full cube. So well done guys, you have solved your first ever Rubik's cube, and I will be solving it once again in a full go so that you can see it properly. Thank you. Guys, you can check using the same algorithm. I've solved the cube again and it is completely solved. So yes, you can solve the cube by yourself. And if you like my video, kindly do like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you.